In this video, we will solve a problem on profit maximization and to find out the break-even point without using calculus. The question is, given demand function is P is equal to 10 minus 2Q and total cost function is total cost is equal to 4 plus Q. Q denotes our output. For what values of output does the firm break even? What is the maximum profit? Without using calculus, we have to calculate it and also to sketch the graph of profit function. Okay, so let's come to the first part, that is let us solve the first part. First, let us see what we are being given. We are being given the demand function and total cost function. We need to find out the break even point. Okay, so by break even, what we mean? By break even, we mean a firm breaks even when total revenue is exactly equal to total cost. That means at break even, our profit is equal to 0. Okay, and what is the formula for profit? We know profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Okay, when this when total revenue is exactly equal to total cost, so this term will become 0. That means our profit will be equal to 0. So first we need to find out the total revenue. Demand function is being given us as 10 minus 2Q. Now total revenue, we know it is simply equal to price times output. Price is being given as demand function is 10 minus 2Q. To this we multiply Q. That means our total revenue is 10Q minus 2Q square. This is our total revenue function. Okay, if I can sketch it on the graph, it will make sense. Okay, because we are not using calculus here. So let us try to draw the graph of this. So let us say this is our graph. On the horizontal axis we have the output. On this axis we will measure total revenue and total cost function here. Okay, so we have a total revenue function. This, since we don't have any constant term, so this will pass through origin, first thing. And also, since the coefficient of q square is negative, that means we will have an inverted u-shaped function because it is a quadratic one. So our graph will look like this. For total revenue, it will be like this. This will be our total revenue function. Okay, now we need to find out the total cost function. Total cost function is basically being given us as 4 plus q. Okay, so if it is 4 plus q, that means our vertical intercept is 4. On this axis we have 4 and it is a linear one. So our total cost function will look like this. Okay, this is our total cost function. Okay, so this is the vertical intercept. This is total revenue function, this is total cost function. As I have told, at break even, total revenue is equal to total cost. On this graph you can see the total cost function touches the total revenue function or intersects total revenue function at 2 points, at this point and this point. At those 2 points our total revenue is exactly equal to total cost. Okay, so let us try to find out the profit. We know profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Okay, so let us write it here. That means our profit will be equal to total revenue function is this 10q minus 2q square. To this we subtract the total cost, that is 4 minus q. That means profit is equal to, solving this we have here 10q minus q is or let us write first this minus 2q square. 10q minus q is plus 9q. Then we have minus 4. This is our profit function. At, let me write it, at break even, we know at break even we know our profit will be equal to 0. That means this minus 2q square plus 9q minus 4 should be equal to 0, obviously, because at break even firms don't make any profit. This is a quadratic function. We will use the quadratic formula for this to solve. Let us say q square, let us say this is a, the coefficient of q square is a, coefficient of q is b, and constant term is c. Then what is our formula? That means our q is equal to quadratic equation, quadratic formula is simply minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just give the variables their values. So minus b means minus 9 plus minus b square means 9 square, 9 square minus 4. The value of a is minus 2, the value of c is minus 4, minus 4. So we have divided by twice a, 2 into minus 2. So we have minus 9 plus minus 9 nines are 81. So we have 4 twos are 8 twos are 16. So minus minus is plus, minus is minus. So this is 16 here, divided by 2 twos are minus 4, minus 4. Okay. Now when we solve this, let us see what it comes out to be. So 81 minus 16. So we have 81 minus 16. So this is 5. I hope I am making the calculation right here. So we have here 4 twos are 8, 4s are 30. Actually it is 4 twos are 8, 4s are 32. So we have to subtract 32. Okay, 32. So 32, 1 minus 2 is 9, 1 minus 2 is 9, 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got 49 here. Let me write it here. So we have minus 9 plus minus under root 49 divided by minus 4. So this comes out to be minus 9. So this under root 49 comes out to be 7 upon minus 4. So we get minus 9 plus 7 upon 4, one value of q, and minus 9. Here we have minus, obviously, minus 7 upon minus 4, two values. So now to 9 plus minus 9 plus 7 comes out to be minus 2 upon 4. Okay, this will give us minus 2 upon 4, minus 2 upon minus 4. This comes out to be minus, it is 0 0.5, 0 0.5. So, or if you are getting confused, let me write it properly here. Okay, so q is equal to this. That means we have minus 9 plus minus, this came out to be 49 under root 49, this value. So this is 7 upon minus 4. Okay, q is equal to this, which implies we get two values for q. That is, one is minus 9 plus 7 upon minus 4, and another value will come out to be minus 9 minus 7 upon minus 4. Solving this, you will get minus 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2, or 0 0.5, 0 0.5. Solving this, now the साथ गई शरा. So this is minus 16 upon minus 4 comes out to be 4. That means we got q is equal to 0 0.5 and q is equal to 4. We got two values for q. That means firm is breaking even at 2 points when q is equal to 0 0.5 and q is equal to 4. Okay, so let me rub this out. So when we have solved this, we got either q is equal to 0 0.4 and q is equal to 4. Okay, now if I draw the profit function here also, it will look like this. So our profit function, we have output on this axis and profit on this axis. Okay, So if this is our profit function, again the coefficient of q square is negative, so we will have inverted u-shaped function. First thing, we have also intercept -4, so vertically our curve will touch this vertical axis at -4. Let us say this is -4, okay, and our profit function will look like this. Okay, this is our profit function, and we know this profit function intersects the horizontal axis at 2 points when q is equal to 0.4 and when q is equal to 4. Okay, so profit is 0 when output is 0.4 and output is 4. Okay, so we got two break-even pointers. These pointers denote that. Okay, these two, where total revenue is exactly equal to total cost. So this was uh, the question, the solution of the first part. Then the question asks us is what is the maximum profit. Okay, if we have a inverted u-shaped curve, by symmetry this u-shaped curve or this parabola will reach at its maximum halfway between 0.4 and 4. Okay, so what is the halfway between 0.4 and 4? Let us see. So we need to find out the middle point of these 2 pointers. So we have 0.4 plus 4 divided by 2 will give us the halfway point. So this is 4.4 upon 2. This will come out to be, so this is 2 2s are 4, then we have 0.2 2s are 4, so the halfway will come out to be 8. Sorry, we have this 0.5. I'm really sorry, this is 0.5, this is 0.5. Okay, so this is also 0.5. So 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, then we have 2 5s are 10. That means this parabola will reach maximum halfway between 0.5 and 4. That means when output is 2.25. When output is 2.25, our profit will be maximum. Okay, pi is maximum. Okay, when output level is 2.25, our output is maximum. Sorry, our profit is maximum. Let me write it here. When q is equal to 2.25, profit is maximum. And what is the maximum profit? Profit when q is equal to 2.25. Just plug this value into our profit function, that is minus 2. Q square means 2.25 square plus 9 into 2.25 minus 4. Okay, when you solve this, you will get a value 6.125. That will be our maximum profit. Okay, so I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.